Okay, bachcho, now we will take the question number 4 of our exercise 2.3. पहले क्वेश्चन समझ लेते हैं अच्छी तरह से. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by polynomial g of x, we don't know about the polynomial g of x, but when I divide this polynomial by a polynomial g of x, the quotient as well as the remainder both are given. It's a x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. That means the first word is quotient. So the first value of the quotient, that is the x minus 2, and after that remainder. So remainder is what? Minus 2x plus 4. So we have to find out the g of x. Okay. So our polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, our standard form of the polynomial p of x, that is given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. G of x, that's a divisor. That's the question for us. Q of x, quotient, and the remainder r of x. These both the given. Quotient. The quotient is the x minus 2. And the r of x, that is the remainder. That's a minus 2x plus 4. समझ में आया क्वेश्चन बच्चों? So, as per our division algorithm, we can say p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. We will write down it. P of x is a what? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. What the g of x? We have to calculate. What the quotient? X minus 2. What the remainder polynomial? It's a minus 2x plus 4. So first we will do the simplification of this. Okay. So this term should be shifted here. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. बिकॉज हम इसको कैलकुलेट करना है तो इसको और इसको दोनों को हटाना पड़ेगा हमें. तो पहले हम एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन वाले टर्म को शिफ्ट कर पाएंगे. सो इसके आगे प्लस है, यहाँ पे आने से क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. बट इसके साइन डायरेक्टली चेंज कर लेते, प्लस है तो इसके साइन डायरेक्टली चेंज कर लेंगे तो माइनस 2x बिकम्स प्लस 2x एंड प्लस 4 बिकम्स माइनस 4. और राइट साइड पर व्हाट लेफ्ट? g of x and x minus 2. Understood बच्चों? And now make the simplification. X cube minus 3x square. Here these both the terms are the like terms, have the same sign. So 2x plus 1x, it becomes 3x. And here they again both are like terms, plus 2 and minus 4. So subtraction take place because one is negative, one is positive. So 4 में से अगर 2 subtract कर रहे तो क्या रहेगा? 2. And sign of the greater term, that is the 4, and it's a minus. And the g of x multiply x minus 2. So x minus 2 from multiplication to division. So g of x can be write down x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. And that we will divide by x minus 2. This multiplication will come to the division. And now we will perform this long division as usual. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, that we will divide by what? X minus 2. Now first term of the quotient, for that x cube, that should be divided the first term by of the divisor, that is the x square left. So the first term of the quotient is x square. X square multiply with these two terms, so x square multiply with x cube. X square multiply with minus 2, minus 2x square. Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. They both will be subtracted. Now these both the terms like terms, and this one have the minus sign and this one have the plus sign. So different sign is there, so subtracted. From the 3, if I subtract 2, I will get the 1x square. 1 didn't require to write down. Okay, and sign of the greater term. Who is greater? 3x square. Sign is negative. Now one term should be carried here. It's a plus 3x. Now second term of the quotient. For that, the first term of the dividend, that should be divided by the first term of the divisor. X square when I divide by x, so the remaining is only 1x. Okay, and sign minus. Okay, from the 2, 1 power will be subtracted. Okay, so 1 power left. So minus x, that is the second term of our quotient. Okay, and now minus x should be multiplied with this both the terms. So minus plus minus, x multiplied with x, x square, minus minus plus, and it's a 2x. Now make the subtraction. For that we have to change the sign. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. This one minus x square, this one plus x square, both will be cancelled out. And again these both are like terms. This one is positive, this one negative. So different sign is there. So subtracted from the 3x. If I subtract the 2x, it will be 1x. Okay, and sign of the greater term, that is the positive. So no need to write down it. Okay, minus 2 should be carried here. Now here, see, first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor is same. So x divided by x, it's a 1. X, when I divide by x, so both will be cancelled out. Nothing left. So it's a 1. Okay, so 1 should be multiplied with both the terms. So again no any change. Plus x and minus 2. And plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel out. This one is also cancel out. So you have 0. So this one is your g of x. So g of x is what? X square minus x plus 1. Understood, Bachcho?